Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Today is February 22nd of the year 2025. It is National Margarita Day. That's right, National Margarita Day. This is the most popular drink in the United States of America. The largest margarita held over 1,000 gallons of margarita. That's how much we love this day. And after the months we've had, I think we can all chill and enjoy this holiday. A lot of us may not know, but margaritas were invented between the 1930s and 1940s. And there's this really big controversy. First, we thought it was from Marjorie King, who was a showgirl stationed in Mexico. And she, unfortunately, was allergic to all alcohol. This is a real story. She was allergic to all alcohol, and so a bartender did her a solid and made this wonderful drink that we call a margarita. But we go further north to Dallas, and we have a Dallas socialite by the name of Margarita Saines, who in the late 1940s introduced the margarita to all those lovely housewives. So that's how the margarita got invented. We really don't care how it got invented. Everybody knows this is gonna be a super easy margarita. On my blog, Good Time Gal, I have put a lovely margarita recipe that I think you will all love and enjoy. But since we're on YouTube and I like to keep this casual, and of course, food equity is about including everybody and having that inclusion. When you are stuck for time and you just want to enjoy the holiday, which is what I always talk to you guys about, is some of us enjoy the preparation of the holiday and laying out the holiday, and then some of us just enjoy the holiday. And I want to make sure that when you do that, it's efficient and it's wonderful. So today we're going to be using one of my secret weapons. Another one. I know last time it was this quick, but this time, Margarita. Yes, a sparkling margarita. This is actually one of my favorites. This is about 2 servings, but I love it. So this is easy. This is also something you can do on the go. So today is National Margarita Day. You can grab a friend, grab an 8-pack of these and just have a great time. But I like to do mine a little differently, okay? All right, so I have oranges instead of lime. I find that the oranges bring out the flavor of the tequila a lot better. So let's get started. So of course, traditional margarita glass for this traditional day. And then I set this like this so you guys can see it. This is a sugar mixture. It's sugar and granulated sea salt. And then I also like to use a little crushed pepper just to give me a little heat on my lips. Not too much. Because you just want to, and I mix a little bit. So with one of my orange wedges, I'm going to wet my rim. I like it. And you see it's not too much, it's just enough. And then my ice goes everywhere. So now I like to just use ice cubes. And we'll just pour. Say stop. Stop. And that other orange we had, happy National Margarita Day. This is the day that you get to have one, just because. Cheers. See how easy that was? And that's the beauty of National Margarita Day. So get out there and celebrate. As always, I want to thank everybody who is watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Please feel free to purchase my book, Good Time Gal Cookbook. Please go to my channel description and click on those links to get extra help with your cooking. And as always, cheers to the good times.